Take garlic, but don't make the same error that so many others have. What happens if you consume raw garlic? Garlic is one of the most powerful natural antibiotics and has numerous health benefits, but many of us are unaware of how to use garlic to recover from various diseases and reap its many benefits. Benefits that will change your life for the better if you use them correctly. Garlic is a powerful antibiotic that can be used to treat a variety of infections, including bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. Garlic is a rich source of allicin, which is responsible for the distinctive taste and aroma of garlic and is a sulfur-containing compound, associated with numerous health benefits for the body. Cooking garlic significantly reduces the content of allicin and most of the active substances in it, lowering the nutritional value of garlic. So we'll show you the 2 best ways to consume raw garlic to get the most nutritional value. First, a whole clove of garlic is swallowed, preferably on an empty stomach, as garlic has no negative effects on the stomach, which is important for those who suffer from stomach pain or acidity, because the garlic clove remains complete until it reaches the intestines, and because the intestine is an alkaline medium, garlic disintegrates and releases the active substances, particularly allicin, and the real effect begins. As well as an anti-worm where the allicin substance acts as an antiseptic for the intestines for those who have intestinal worms in all stages as well as infections in the colon. Several studies show that garlic reduces inflammation and acts as an antioxidant. As a result, garlic improves the function of the hormone cortisol, which acts as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Allicin also improves immune system function and lowers bad cholesterol levels, which are benefits of garlic when mashed or chewed. When we eat garlic, the first thing we notice is the emission of the distinctive garlic smell due to the disintegration of allicin. As a result, its usefulness is greatly reduced, but it does bring out many organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants that are associated with stimulating blood circulation in the heart, as well as regulating cholesterol levels and lowering triglycerides. To obtain the necessary health benefits, we must determine how to take garlic. We won't get the full benefits for the heart and arteries, nor will we burn fat completely, if we swallow whole garlic cloves. However, as previously stated, it also has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cholesterol-lowering properties. When we eat garlic, many sulfur compounds and antioxidants are released, which stimulate blood circulation, lower triglycerides, and cleanse the liver of fat. As mashed garlic is thought to be a fat burner for the organs, particularly the liver, the 2 methods must be combined. Specifically, swallowing a whole clove of garlic first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Then, by eating mashed or chopped garlic with food during lunch, drinking plenty of water with it, we obtain the majority of the health benefits of garlic, forming an integrated system for health and wellness.